In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're moving higher today. Yen futures higher for a second session, and today's price action has the futures market up to its highest level in basically 3 weeks, up about 1% on the day today. And driving factors today, one of the primary drivers appears to be discussion surrounding the Bank of Japan and their bond buying or bond purchasing program that's been in place for quite some time. There is an indication, at least there's some discussions out there, that they could be considering reducing that level of quantitative easing. And if so, then that would be a factor contributing to potentially higher rates. And therefore, it also appears to be benefiting the Japanese yen here for a second session. Now, we don't have a meeting announcement for a couple of weeks from the Bank of Japan, but nonetheless, there is some discussion, some talk out there that there's a potential for them to reduce that initiative. Now, that's one of the main drivers. We're also seeing some other factors in the market. There is some rotation appears to be taking place as well, where we're seeing the Japanese yen, the Swiss franc higher on the session, but most other major currency markets coming off their recent highs and trading lower today, with the dollar basically unchanged on the day. So we're seeing selling pressure in the euro, the British pound, as well as the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc, and the Japanese yen higher on the day. But when you look at the Japanese yen now, coming off those recent lows, higher now for a second session, really recouping a big chunk of the selling pressure that it experienced over the last couple of weeks. So with today's price action, a 2-day rally in place, moving the markets back up towards a 3-week high.